Vallarta and we get a welcome band. Yeah. 15 minutes south of Puerto Vallarta, deep in the Sierra Madre, lies a hidden oasis, Cascada, Palo, Maria. No signs, no crowds, just an unassuming footbridge on Highway 200 that marks the start of a new trail few have explored. These mountains were born over 60 million years ago during the Laramide uplift. For generations, the Huichol people have revered these streams as sacred lifelines. Oh, cool. How do I even do this?
Do we go around here, yeah?
Oh. Spanish settlers later named the site after the Palo Maria tree that dots the riverbanks. Yet until the 2010s, Cascada Palo Maria remained off the tourists' radar.
What is that noise?
One giant bee.
Okay.
Here, let me go first.
Yeah, I hear it. Hold on.
It's probably like a weed whacker or something.
Okay, you go first.
I keep on hearing going.
The hike is moderate, roughly 1.4 miles round trip with 150 feet of elevation gain. Expect uneven rock underfoot and 2 river fords, slippery when the water's high. Plan on 45 minutes each way, more if you pause at the first swimming
Watch out,
hole.
the rock's kind of slippery here.
Okay. Okay. Ah, thanks. You know how long it's supposed to be, babe?
45 minutes.
Uh-oh. Hold up.
Ah. I like the water sound, but it makes me want to pee.
I know.
It's fine. It's gonna be like this. It's not very. None of these paths are very clear. Yeah, you good. Watch out your head.
Do you see that tree?
All right, guys. This is the first pool that we gotta cross. So this would be a good time to take off your shoes.
Do you think that way or that way?
Let's go that way. We want to get on dry land.
Step 1, cross the bridge. Then turn right. Keep to the fence on your left. Step 2, follow the creek, picking your path over mossy boulders. After about 15 minutes, you'll find a shallow pool.
It's slippery. Let me get it to solid ground.
You go first.
No,
it's fine.
Yeah.
Something bit my butt. Something bit my butt for sure. It's so beautiful. And lush.
So that sounds weed whacker.
Oh God.
You thought it was just one really big bee?
That's not what it was.
It's all buzzing.
You never seen me before. Queen bee.
That's a motherfucking king bee. Right here. Here, I think
Yeah, you said you're supposed to cross the river after you keep going. Oh, maybe cross and then left? Yeah. You see there's a path over there?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I would go there and then left.
Okay. Is the waterfall up there?
Okay.
Cascada? Right here.
This way. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, gracias.
Gracias. So this is right?
Yeah.
Cascada, that's what it's called?
Yeah. It actually feels nice every time we go into the water now. Made it to the first waterfall.
Here's your first reward, a clear, calm pool just deep enough to cool off. But don't linger too long, the main attraction awaits upriver. Continue upstream for another 30 minutes. Watch your footing as the trail narrows and the current quickens. Each twist in the river brings you closer to the big reveal.
Pretty slippery. Got it?
Get some plants down a big rock.
Get it, Indiana Jones.
I should have left over.
Yeah, look at that big ass termite mound.
Is it? Or is it a wasp nest?
I hope it's not a wasp nest.
Well, either way,
Looks like both. Let's get out of here.
No, I saw something like long.
Looks like leeches, right?
I was like, what the fuck is that?
No, I think it's just part of the plant.
Okay, I was like,
Say, those aren't leeches. They're
I
just.
thought it was. It looked like it had fins and stuff, but I don't know.
Hey, you think you guys could climb this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you good, Joe? We'll take some time. Use the branches. And, whoa.
Take your time, baby.
Take your time. That's going to the lock here. Oh, wow.
Oh, baby, you made it. Good job.
Oh my god.
Both of you guys, good job. What a nice glow you guys have.
The birds agreed.
Pretty good. Babe, if you could do this, you could fucking do Angels Landing all day. See the waterfalls.
Go with it. I don't know if I'm gonna go with it.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw it there.
And then there it is, a 20-foot cascade plunging into a crystal pool ringed by emerald foliage. No tour buses, no admission fee.
Yeah, my left arm, I don't trust it right now because I dislocated it.
I'm gonna put my sneakers on.
You made it!
You did it! Thanks for keeping us safe.
Thanks, Jungle.
That rope is color frayed and I don't know. Make sure you don't want to get all close.
Whether you're chasing hidden waterfalls or just craving fresh mountain air, Cascada Palo is a great escape. We would recommend you to bring water-resistant shoes, plenty of water, insect repellent, and sunscreen. In rainy season, the crossings can get deep, so plan accordingly.
We're not in a rush to do anything.
Hey, you want to drop
We made it!
Yes.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Look at this creepy ass spider right here. We made it!
Yes. We came at a really good time.
Yeah. Tell me about your experience. What do you think?
I did not know what to expect. That was pretty treacherous, actually, kind of dangerous at some points, but we made it. Like, we had to rappel down the side of a mountain at one point and also use a rope to climb up at one point too. And it was just the face of a mountain. I don't know, it was crazy. The views were worth it, and I don't know, we took a good amount of breaks, chilled in the water, took a dip. I don't know, it was really beautiful.
They said it was gonna be easy, but it took us, we got here around 9.
Really?
Was it?
No, I thought we were here like at 7 or 8.
No, we got out of the boat by 8.
Yeah.
We got here by like 8:30.
Yeah.
So 3-4 hour hike.
Wow, it didn't feel like it though. The way down felt easier.
No, because we're chilling, that's why.
The way down felt easier than the way up for sure.
A 25-minute ride here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got here around 9.
Yeah.
3 hours at a fair pace.
We had to traverse across
We're not knowing
water.
where we're going.
Yeah.
We had to find our own path.
Yeah. These paths aren't very clear, but that's the adventure of it.
I would recommend water shoes for sure.
Yeah.
But other than
Is
that,
that what it's called?
Cascada.
Cascada, yeah.
Yeah.
Every time we touch. I thought it was an incredible experience.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
for the faint of heart though. If you're not very, if you're handicapped in some way, probably don't go.
What?
No, I'm serious. You have to cross the water, the river, like multiple times.
Okay.
Yeah.
¿Le quieres tomar una foto?
YouTube, YouTube.
Sultán.
Hola, hola, hola.
Te hablan.
Bueno, lo traigo. La palapa.
It's so cute.
Go ahead. Oh, muchas gracias. This one here? I don't know. Ooh, gracias.
Looks good, the taste is better.
This is
Oh
better?
yeah?
Thank you.
Okay. We'll see. Just kidding. I'm looking forward to it.
So what do we have here?
Okay, so we got some shrimp tacos. Ooh. Oh, it's supposed to have chicharron something. Chicharron queso or something. And then this is the butthole.
Oh, lovely.
I don't know why they
butthole.
put this one right here that comes out right. Okay.
It's the culo of la mar.
Okay, I'm just being immature, but this is adobada octopus, and then this is what was that one? Enchilada. What kind of
Seafood enchilada.
Seafood enchilada.
They have all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, and then they gave us complimentary 3 salsas. Of course, a verde, rojo, and then some kind of creamy orangey thingy. Yeah, but amazing,
Look at this view.
amazing. You kind of constantly get solicitors, like people who are trying to sell their wares, but you just kind of say no and look away, I guess. But yeah, there's a lot of them. I was getting a little sleepy from the vino and also just hiking, so I had to order myself a cappuccino.
That's good.
Yeah. Let's try it out. Oh, lunch was actually really good. It tasted really clean. I actually didn't really expect much because usually when you get a view, it kind of compromises the taste of the food, but not here. It was pretty good. We got the, oh yeah, we already told you what we got, but delicioso.
Oh, I'm okay.
Darn. Walk away. Okay, yeah. Apparently. Isn't that a song?
Yeah.
Guantanamera. Guajira Guantanamera. Guantanamera. Guajira Guantanamera. Soy un hombre sincero. ¿De dónde crece la palma? Soy un hombre sincero. ¿De dónde crece la palma? Antes de morir yo quiero cantar mis versos del alma. Guantanamera,
Wow.
Guajira, Guantanamera. Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera.
Okay. Now let's go. My fashionable belt.
That's a very nice belt.
Wonderful. Hey!
It's
Julio and Miguel.
Miguel.
Miguel, Julio.
Hey, hey,
Oh, hey, 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 hey.